ever wondered why we have seasons, or why the length of daylight changes throughout the year? The answer lies in a fascinating celestial event known as the equinox. In the simplest of terms, an equinox is a moment in time when the sun is positioned directly above the Earth's equator. This happens twice a year, around the 23rd of September and the 21st of March. These dates mark the beginning of autumn and spring respectively in the Northern Hemisphere. Now, the term equinox comes from the Latin words equus, meaning equal, and nox, meaning night. This might lead you to think that on an equinox, day and night are of equal length, 12 hours each. However, this isn't entirely accurate. You see, we measure the length of a day in a slightly peculiar way. The day begins when the uppermost edge of the sun appears above the horizon and ends when that same uppermost edge disappears below the horizon. If we were to start and end the day when the center of the sun crosses the horizon, both day and night would indeed be equal. But because we start a little earlier and end a little later, the day is slightly longer than the night. Interestingly, the effect of the equinox extends beyond just the lengths of day and night. It also influences the names of the full moons throughout the year. For instance, the full moon closest to the autumnal equinox is known as the harvest moon, a term that harks back to the days when farmers relied on the moonlight to continue harvesting late into the night. To sum up, an equinox is a celestial event that occurs twice a year when the sun is directly above the Earth's equator. It's a time of near balance between day and night, and it signals the change of seasons. But remember, the day is not exactly 12 hours long due to the way we measure time. And finally, the equinox has cultural significance too, with various traditions and festivals around the world marking these days. So next time the equinox rolls around, perhaps take a moment to appreciate the fascinating celestial mechanics at play, and maybe even celebrate in your own way.